What's up guys, it's me or Jimmy a Geek. Literally I wanna buy the new iPhone 10R. I love the yellow color. I literally wanna buy. But the problem is that I will not pay anything over 399 bucks. Literally yes, I will not pay over 399 bucks. I mean, why I'm saying like this? Because for 399 US dollar you can get so many good smartphones which are much better than the iPhone. Yes, I'm paying for the iPhone ecosystem. I can get like the HTC 11. I can get a good phone like essential phone which I'm using. Or I can get like a Honor Note 10 which is the best phone ever built. But paying anything over like 400 bucks for an iPhone 10R, I am sorry, I will never ever pay. I mean, because it's overpriced, to be honest with you. The smartphone is like too much overpriced. I am really very unhappy, to be honest with you. I mean, let me recheck, tell you the current price of the iPhone. 10R, the iPhone 10R coming at 749 bucks. I cannot watch 1080p videos. iPhone 10R, the screen quality is same like how many? 8 years ago, 7 years ago. I think Apple is like making a fool of us. You know why big companies die? Now I understand. I know before, but now I'm looking in front of my eyes. I am looking how this Apple company is going to die, how this is going to become like a past. Like Kodak have become, or a lot of companies have become, like Sony Ericsson, Simon, Plum, my favorite company. Now I understand. When companies say we are the best, we sell a phone at 749, you buy. We sell a phone at 1100, you buy. We decide, not consumer. Within a few years you will see Apple will be gone. Like this. Gone. Apple will be gone. It's a bad Apple. I wanna buy. I wanna buy mainly for yellow color. I travel to Africa a lot. In Africa, if you hold something yellow color, it's like a conversation starter. Yellow thing look good, and then I just like the iPhone ecosystem. Just because I was one of the earliest iPod Touch user. That's why. 400 max, 399 max Apple. Here's my wallet. Okay, where's my wallet? Okay, here's my wallet. Here's my wallet. Apple, here's my wallet. Give me iPhone 10R new for 400 bucks, 399. I pay you now. 749. I'm just showing you my time. Today is your time, Apple. Today is your time. Tomorrow will be another company time. I'm happy, Apple. I'm happy. I'm just gonna buy this Zenfone 5. Zenfone 5 for 299. Much better. Or I can buy a much better, much cheaper phone. Lenovo Z5. 199. Or Nokia X6. 199. Why should I waste my money? Screw you, Apple! You are going to become a history. It was me, Jimmy.